Garage door safety sensors like the ones that I have in my hand right here are nowhere near as safe as the industry says they are. And in this video, I really want to talk about why we haven't really seen an upgrade on OEM garage door sensors. And at the same time, I want to provide you a compelling solution for a garage door safety system that will definitely protect you against garage door accidents. Let's party.
So we replaced the sensors to this Chamberlain garage door opener motor. And I had a challenge with one of those sensors specifically because I had lost somehow the little screw, that goes on right there. I lost it on the other side. And so basically I needed to find a solution to put it on. You can tell I did something different there. But in essence, the reason why that's a challenge is because they're so easy to lose. I had gone to Lowe's to see if I could find those wing nuts and those hex bolts. I was not successful. And when I tried to find those sensors in the garage door section, it was missing the bolt and the wing nut. So you can tell that this is an issue that probably is something that affects a lot of garage door guys. I would say carry a few of them just in case you lose that stuff.
Now, garage door safety sensors are one of those essential parts to the garage door system that really needs to be implemented. I can't tell you how many times I've gone into a job where I've seen the garage door safety sensors repositioned or put in a way that were nowhere near the door that could detect any type of obstruction. Obviously, whenever a vehicle is moving in or out, or if you have some moving person or a moving child going through the safety sensors. And the reason why that's so scary is because UL code and what the industry says these safety sensors are designed to do is they are designed to stop the garage door so that way it doesn't crush anyone. But of course, that's not something common that I see here in my area. And even though it does exist, I can say that the most prominent accident, the most prominent damage that correlates to the garage door safety sensor and the garage door system is whenever someone is backing out of the garage, or if someone's moving into the garage or driving into the garage. So many times, in so many circumstances, in a variable of situations, there are so many accidents just to report when a vehicle passes through the garage door, and especially if that garage door is moving or the garage door just simply didn't open enough. And that's completely plausible because if your garage door spring is broken unbeknownst to you and you utilize your garage door to open, but it doesn't open completely all the way and you think you're actually going to go in through the entire opening of your garage door and you somehow end up hitting it, well, yeah, that's something that does exist. By extension, if you have that same broken spring scenario and you're trying to back out from the garage, but you just don't see that your garage door has opened up all the way, it's stayed like halfway or it's about a third of the way up, yeah, you're going to go ahead and back up into that door and you're going to damage that door. And so clearly the safety sensors by no means served their purpose if that situation and if those scenarios continue to happen, and they exist, I would say, on a day-to-day basis. And I do want to commend LiftMaster because they did upgrade these older sensors. These older sensors are longer, I should say. The newer sensors are much smaller. They have a much better design. I think they fit great in those tight corners. And they're not as sensitive as the Genie sensors that were really just too sensitive with light. These are not that bad. Now, that's not to say that sunlight does not affect the sensors to the LiftMaster or Chamberlain system, but the point that I'm trying to get at is that LiftMaster has at least tried to iterate and upgrade their garage door safety reversing sensors. And even then, it's just still not enough. Of course, there are some workarounds with regards to the sun. You can get some sunlight protectors that are available, and you can attach them onto these LiftMaster safety sensor systems. And they work perfectly fine. They work really nice. But again, they don't protect you 100% against those types of accidents that we've just expressed and talked about. So what is the best solution, and what is the only way that I would say that you could mitigate a garage door accident by ensuring that your garage door safety sensors are at that next level, at that optimal working system? Well, honestly, the only solution that I can think of is Infinity Shield. Garage door accidents or issues like the one in this video happen on a daily basis. One of the reasons why they happen so often is because of the photo safety eyes or the safety reversing sensors. These OEM sensors are fundamentally flawed. Normal garage door sensors are installed only 6 inches above the floor on the garage door tracks. At that placement, they can't defend against open trunks, protruding bumpers, or high trailer hitches. That's why we recommend Infinity Shield. Infinity Shield is the next level garage door safety reversing sensor. Their sensor covers the entire spectrum of the garage door opening. It's literally an infinite shield of protection that can detect any obstruction. Infinity Shield can provide you protection from your garage door damaging your car. The best part, it can be installed in minutes. The setup is easy for pros and even DIYers. Thus, if you're ready to upgrade your garage door safety sensor needs, then visit the link below, and a big thanks to Infinity Shield for sponsoring this video. Now, why am I so confident that the Infinity Shield safety reversing system is the only solution, is the most compelling solution to protect you against garage door accidents? Well, basically because I have tested. I've been working with the Infinity Shield system for a long time. I do have a relationship with the company. This video is obviously sponsored by them. But the reason why I feel that it's so important that we talk about how the older sensors are flawed and how the new Infinity Shield system is not a flawed system, because it definitely is able to detect any type of obstruction that goes through the garage door system. Now, does that mean that they are perfect? Well, no, that doesn't mean that they're perfect. There are some things to it that could happen if one is not careful with regards to installing them and utilizing them in their garage door ecosystem. So just keeping that in mind, I don't want to present something that is, oh yes, this is going to save everything with your garage door system. I won't say that, but what I will say is that when it comes to garage door accidents of a vehicle moving in and out with the Infinity Shield, that's just not going to happen. It is a superior system in my humble opinion. And of course, when you're thinking about, like, for example, I work with a number of homeowners, I work with a number of families, and I do see how the families are just so distraught, how they're so perhaps maybe just, you know, just down in the dumps because they've just suffered an accident with their garage that happens to also involve their vehicle. So now they're thinking about not just one expense, not just the garage door repair expense, but now they have to think about their vehicle expense. And that type of stress, that type of anxiety, yeah, that's a lot. So whenever thinking about, again, a solution that would mitigate, that would really completely just save the family those types of expenses, the Infinity Shield is the way to go. Now, granted, if you're not able to get Infinity Shield, what I would definitely say is just do your due diligence, just do your regular maintenance on your garage door system to check first that your safety sensors are aligned, that they're clean and clear from any debris, cobwebs, and at the same time that you get your garage door maintenance done with regards to like its balance, the lubrication. There's a number of things that you can do to make that happen, or if you want to hire a contractor. But what I'm trying to focus with here is to simply take into account that whatever you do with your garage door systems, check your safety sensors. Check to make sure that you even need an upgrade. And of course, if you are interested in the Infinity Shield product, I'll have a link down below so you can get that. But at the end of the day, it's the best product, it's the best solution that's going to be able to help families once again protect themselves from those garage door accidents or those garage door situations that, quite frankly, maybe they're just not prepared financially for. Now, of course, I have a number of videos on garage door safety sensors, so you can check out one of them right there. As always, I want to thank y'all for partying with me. Y'all stay safe.